Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Core Java. In Core Java, last few videos we discussed about string and a string various discussions like how to define strings and what are the types of definitions and what are the methods of string class. Those already we discussed. Right now today we'll discuss on a next topic on a string, that is string buffer. So what is string buffer? We'll see first here. So today we'll discuss here about string buffer. So how this string buffer can be implemented and all that we will see here clearly. So first of all, here I'm writing that string buffer. So string buffer is a predefined class. Even this is also like string, it is also string buffer. Just I'll write as a SB so that I can easily understand that this is also predefined class. Predefined, and even this is also to store group of characters. This is used first to store group of characters. String buffer object can be created in only way the assigning of by new operator. Like a string we can see in two ways, but here string buffer always it should be created with newly created operator, that is string buffer something SB equal to new string buffer. So here I am writing some message welcome. This is the way we are defining the string buffer. The way we are defining the string buffer. Then the string buffer objects are mutable, which means we can modify the content of the object. So it will be mutable. Whenever you want, you can modify that. Like for example, I'll take this is again for example. So here what I'm writing here now, this is like I'm writing this welcome. So here instead of welcome, what I'll do here is directly already we have this sp equal to new string buffer of good morning. I'll write some message instead of the above. Like this I can write this string buffer. So that is this. And above what is we have that we can change this, means finally the string buffer can store the value of good morning like this. So even this, in this case also there are various methods are there to store the string buffer class as well. So what are the various methods to store this? We can see in here in this video, that is methods of SP string buffer. What are those? Like in a string there are 18, but here we have only the 9. One is first one is int length. So how this? See, this method will return the count of the number of characters available in a string buffer. So how many is available, that it can define. Like if I am defining this string, So you can take this as an example of this string. So I'll write here first, how can I get this? sp dot length. So from this I'll get this length of this. Simply I get the length of this that I can use. This means how many number of characters are there in this, that we can get here by getting this. Then second method of this is string buffer append, sb append. Like here some string buffer append. How this happens, we'll see here. So string buffer append, how this could be here means this method can be used to append the specified content to the existing string buffer object. For existing string buffer object, this we can use to append this. So how we can append that, we will see here. See here, for example, this is the same. I copy pasted the string buffer what we defined. Instead of here, just I want to write here Java. Then here I want to append some value. Like how can I append? sp dot append. So I want to append this Java version, that is 1.7 Java version. I am appending Java version. Not only this, you can append like one more sp dot append. Then here program, like this we can append multiple this. No worry about this things, even though for this also we'll discuss each and every example how this happens, and I will discuss in detail of this. Next, third one is here now, that is sb delete character delete caret. So here int index somewhere here we need to delete that. So that how is happening here, we'll see here. Same. This is here we may delete here. So means here this method can be used to delete the specified position of this. I want to delete here sb dot delete caret something position, just I can say 3 wel. L can be removed from that like this. So that is, we can define that. Then next string buffer. Next fourth one is sb delete. This is directly delete. So in this here we have some internal two. One is int index, two indexes. We can delete the index and offset both. Index as well offset. This method can be used to delete group of characters beginning with the specified index position up to the specified offset position. In between what we have, that it can be. See, if I take same example here, what I'll write here, sp dot delete, just I'll write 2 comma 4. So 2 3 4, these three will generate, means ELC can be deleted from the this, that is here sp dot delete, that one. The next same here, next is the fifth one is, fifth one is the substring, sp dot substring, sp dot substring. So that is here int index. This is also, this method can be used to retrieve a part of a string buffer beginning from the specified index position to the end of this position. Like same here, I can write this sp dot what we'll write here, substring of 3, means from the third character it can be write entire this thing, that is this. The next sixth one is here, the sixth one we can say as, that is also sp substring only, substring, but here multiple values, that is int index, then int offset. So here int offset, just we can say here same sp dot substring, so 3 to 8. So in between of 3 to 8 all should be deleted from here, means that position offset should be get from this specified index position values, retrieve those values, we can retrieve those values. And the next 7 and 8, 9, there are 3 more. So the next one here is that is a string buffer insert. What is the string buffer insert? So how this can be inserted values, that is also int index comma some other values. So this is the 7. So then what happens here now, pasting the same string here. Now we can see here what happens here now. So I want to get that so how can I write this, sp dot insert of from 0 position Java, means here how this will come, Java welcome, it should come like this, Java welcome. Or you can say this substring insert of after 4, then I can say as 1.7 version, 1.8 version, like this. So this is after 4th character, it can be replaced like this. The next one here, 8th one, that is a string buffer. So what is that string buffer? String buffer replace. How we are doing this replace is nothing but here that is based on int index, then int offset, then string. So that particular position we are replacing by this. So how this happens here, you can see here. This is the one. For this, what I am doing here is sp dot replace of 0 to 7. In between of this, I want to replace with hello. with a different string in between of that. I am replacing those with this word like this. We'll see example program, no worry, just first theoretical I'm explaining here. The next ninth one is last reverse. SB reverse. What is this reverse? So this method can be used to reverse the content of the string buffer. Like if I have this string, I'll write simply sp.reverse. That's all. So what happens automatically? It can be printed from the last to first. So these all are the string buffer methods. So theoretically, we'll see in our next videos programmatically of each example. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.